Hello and welcome to our channel. In today's video we will learn how to draw house scenery. So here we have drawn with the black sketch pen a house, and this is called landscape. Obviously we won't forget the house part, and greens are very important. So this is the final look. In this video, we will learn how to draw a girl flying a kite. So by step you will learn in the easiest way, and this is the look after coloring. Here we will learn how to draw a rose and its leaves. Drawing a very large rose is quite difficult because it needs little bit of creativity. So here these are the leaves and the rose, and finally this is the last look. In this video, we will learn how to draw a puppy. What is a puppy? What is it called? Obviously, a dog's baby is called a puppy. So here we'll color it with the gray color. You can color it with the black or brown color, but I am liking the gray color, so I'm doing here. Here we will learn how to draw a house. So here firstly we'll go for the roof, that is 4 lines. The door, greens are very important, and finally we'll go for the clouds. So here is the final look. In this video, we will learn how to draw a doll. So here we'll go for the hair bun and hands, then frog. So here it is ready. In this video, we will learn how to draw a house with 3 houses and a very good scenery. What is this? A big hill called? It is called a hillock. So here is the final look. In this video, we will learn how to draw a tree with spreading dot. This is our drawing completed. Here we will learn how to draw a shark. So firstly we'll go for the half moon, then tail, wings, and it is completed. Here we will learn how to draw a windmill. So with the help of some cross and colors, it is completed. Here we will learn how to draw a house scenery. See, it's so easy. Here we will learn how to draw leaves. So here we will draw leaf with the 3 different shade colors. So it will highlight it. See, it's looking so good. Here we will learn how to draw a baby dinosaur. What is a baby dinosaur called? It is called a hatchling. Finally, we are now drawing the very spiciest thing, that is green or red chilies. Here we will learn how to draw a tortoise. Thank you for watching our video.